Say it again.
You do it.
No. It's a laugh, not a shake.
Whoa! Yeah. Tegan Slow Jam. For her birthday. But it's not actually happening yet. Tegan. She's a very random girl. She asked me to buy her everything in the world, from Decepticons to pretty cars, from penis-shaped balloons to purple guitars. She asked me for babies and thinks it's alright. And if you say no, be careful, she bites. She gave me a scar. It lasted one day, but that doesn't mean it's freaking okay, no. She fucking bit me like a terrier. She's like, ah. Could have been kind of hot, but it wasn't. I like this part. It's about her family, cause they want to kick her out and replace her with me. I know, they must be crazy to want to get rid of a girl as cool as TGP, and she is. She's really freaking cool. I can get half a second here to tell you it's true. They love her, they never fight, and maybe it's because they're the same height. Oh! Sure joke. Sure you never expected that. Never saw it. Burn. Now most of this song may have crushed your soul, but it's all for humor. To hurt you is not my goal. Some nice things. She made a lovely cake, looked like a hedgehog. She gives us pizza and company. Really, Tegan is great. That doesn't sound right, but anyway. Whoa! Tegan Slow Jam. For her 17th birthday, she has a lovely house. If I marry her, her mother will give me sheep. Her dog is an idiot. Fakia Star for life.
I love it! That was the most amazing present I've ever gotten in my entire life, ever.
And it cost me nothing.